Welcome to the Dayton Business Spotlight, your source for what's now, what's new, and what's next in the Dayton business community. And now, here's your host, Phil Herzing.
Well, welcome back to another edition of the Dayton Business Spotlight. I am here with Don Manrisky of SimpleSoft Solutions, one of the great small IT companies in Dayton, and we wanted to help you get to know them a little bit better. Thanks for joining us, Don. Tell us about SimpleSoft. What do you do? How'd you get started?
Well, we got started back in the early 90s, 1994. I originally came to Dayton to work for NCR and was really, yes, it was a big company, and very impressed with the entrepreneurial spirit in Dayton, and saw the opportunity to leave and start my own business. Started small, and we've grown over the years, focused primarily on customer relationship management software, helping sales, marketing, and customer service organizations.
Huge need right now, huge.
Absolutely, operate more efficiently, and especially it's a very competitive environment. Started focusing on custom solutions, but then grew in and became a value-added reseller for Sage software. And we sell, service, support, customize, and train on their products today. And that makes up probably 95% of our business.
Well, now this issue of using software to manage customer relationships, such a big issue. How do you find your customers, and what are their requirements?
Well, all companies have unique needs, and what we do is we try to really focus on understanding what their business problems are and how they would use software in their business. Many times customers come to us and they really don't understand how big of an issue they have. And sometimes they understand one particular area. What we focus on is looking at the near-term problems and then the long-term problems. For example, our focus primarily is on manufacturing, financial services, and technical services industry. They do have a lot of commonality between them. When we look at sales, for example, forecasting becomes a big issue. Many companies can't forecast well. They don't really understand, what is in their sales pipeline to even understand the imbalance in revenue from month to month. So we look at ways to help them manage that, control it, and report better. And we train their people on using the software to be very effective.
I know you guys do a really great job. How do your customers find out about you? Are you a well-kept secret, or is it widely known?
Well, although we're not a super sales organization, we've been improving on that, but most of our business comes from referral. Since we focus on the solutions that we sell for Sage software, most of our business comes from either customer referrals, networking, or from Sage themselves. And we're very proud of the fact that we really solve customer problems, and that's why we're very successful at gaining new customers.
Well, you said you came to Dayton right out of college, and I know that there was a great opportunity here with NCR, but when you decided to go entrepreneurial and fly on your own, you stayed here in Dayton, but I know that what you're doing could be done anywhere. What keeps you in Dayton, Ohio?
Well, what I love about Dayton is the location more than anything. I mean, we have convenient access to Interstate 75 and 70, and our customers, even though in the IT business you can do a lot of remote work, we still need to meet with them in person to go over project plans and really dig into their needs, as well as training. But in Dayton, we can easily get to Cincinnati, Lexington, Louisville, Indianapolis, Toledo, Cleveland, and Columbus in about a 3-hour period.
Yes.
It's great. It helps us serve them very well, and there are a lot of great companies in those areas also.
Well, Don, thanks so much for your time, and thanks for telling us about SimpleSoft. And I'd like to thank you for joining us for this edition of the Dayton Business Spotlight. Dayton is really all about business, and if you want to be entrepreneurial, if you want to start a business, if you want to run a business, if you want to succeed, everything you need is right here in Dayton or very close by. So we encourage you to check out not only Dayton, Ohio, but check out our other videos which tell other great stories of excellent businesses.